Alright, here's another video since you guys were requesting a video of more detail of the tent. You guys probably already seen my video of it opening up. So here's it open right now. So there's lots of clearance, in my opinion, for the 3rd Gen Tacoma to fit the print suit rack. It's about a ½ inch gap, but I think it'd be enough to flex and not cause a problem. So here's the front. As you can see, there's curves on it. It's not flat. Some nice curves to it. Open it up. It has 2 gas struts. And here's the option right here, the molly panel, however you say it. Also has the rain gutters right here, so when it rains or whatever, water don't get inside. And then here's the awning brackets that just came in. They mount over here, however you want to mount it up. And then here's an extra molly panel. You can put it anywhere you want, where there's the bosses right there. They're I believe they're M6 bolts or screws or whatever. You can put it there, or you can put it in the front, there. I have mine right there for now. Let's see, and here's the inside of the tent. Pretty spacious. So it comes with the X-Ped air mattress. It comes with this pump, but you can get a better pump if you want. This has been fine for now. And here's a window right here, what's closed. This side I have it opened up. And these pieces right here, there are 2 pieces, if you can see that, to cover the hole. Here you can take it out for your access hole. And let's see, you can move this out of the way, the air mattress. And you can grab this piece. Sorry. Push this in. Now you have more room. Stand in the bed. You have the whole bed to stand in. And then it comes standard with these right here. It comes with the USB and then the cigarette lighter. So right now I have the GTO Overland Lights. So I have them wired right here on the door, the back door, and also right here. Which is nice is that I ran the wires in the fuselage. They're all in there hidden, so you can't even see it. And I have the wiring right there, the control panel. Turn it on, it's on. You can go brighter. You can go white. Oh, can't really see in the video, but it's amber. Amber and white mix, and then white. Alright, also comes with the plate. So this was installed on January 27th, and then I have number 22. Alright, let's see what else is there. So I got these right here from Shitco. It's just the bracket to convert this into an awning. As you can see, let's see what else is there. I guess other than that, that's basically it. I don't know if you guys want to see some other stuff, let me know. Put it in the comments and I'll try to take video of it. But this is with the window closed again. And this is with the window open. And yeah, that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching.